ride the horsey. Go on it. Wee, wee. Ride. Hi fams, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Sunday. Thank you. You want to say hi? Say hello. Say hi. Give them kisses. Give them high fives. Hey. Say good morning. Hey. Alright, just one will do. Say good morning. Good morning. No screaming. What you want? What you want? I don't know what that is. What that is? Go for it. Go tell Papa to give it to you. You guys, it is a bright and beautiful day here. It is so sunny outside. I have to open up some of the windows just to let some air in because it starts to get really hot. Baby's here.
Hi guys.
Oh, you were wearing a USA shirt this morning.
Yeah, my $1 shirt. That's the first shirt that I got in USA when I went to university. I went to Walmart. Yeah, I went to Walmart trying to find some clothes. Not necessarily shirt, and when I saw $1 I said okay, let's try some fish. So this is our first
shirt you bought in USA?
I don't know if in USA, but when I went to university, because I went to USA before, so I think I got shirt before, but that's the first shirt I got in Illinois. Okay,
fun fact, you guys, baby lived in the USA for a year. So if you don't know, now you know. He went to he went to university for 1 year in the USA. So yeah, we're just here. Actually, we've been just hanging around for the latter part of the morning, resting. As you can see, look like we actually just woke up. Well, I just woke up and got a bath and give Tyler a bath and feed him and stuff. So we're actually just here about to sort out Tyler's closet and sort out his closet basically because
that he have some 6 months clothes in his closet, and I'm tired every time I'm looking for something to see. We can't
find, yeah.
So I just want to put all of them in a box and out of his closet.
Right. So I'm not ready to donate his clothes just yet because of course we want more kids, and that won't be very long from now. So it don't make sense we throw out all of his. We donate all of his stuff because all of his stuff is still okay, and we're not sure whether our next baby will be a boy or a girl. Ride the horsey. Go ride the horsey. Go on it. Wee, wee. Ride. Yes, take your anger out on the horsey. So you're taking over Tyler's hat. So we're not sure if our next baby will be a boy or a girl. So if our next baby is a boy, then we'll use back most of Tyler's clothes. But if it's a girl, then I'm going to donate them because I found a place that we can donate his stuff. So that would be awesome. So right now babe and I are going to just sort through his closet, because we haven't done that in a while, since we bought his last set of stuff, and he needs some new stuff now because most of his stuff right now cannot fit at all. So we're going to just sort through his stuff. A little mini hat. So you guys finish organizing, and down here is not really relevant, but yeah, we stopped buying Pampers, so you still have a bunch of them remain. You have these few little shorts, so you need to get some more for summer. You have those pants, so he needs to get a few more jeans, but not much. What happened? No, you want to put on your shoes? Those shoes doesn't fit you anymore. They don't fit you anymore.
No.
And he have these summer shirts. He needs to get a few more. And he have these spring, these winter long sleeve tops for winter coming that will fit. And he have these little jackets that will still fit. In here he have some socks that fits. In here you have socks that fits. In here is just some towels and rags. In here he have some onesie that still fits. I don't think I'm going to buy him any more onesie until next winter. In here he have all his undies. And in here he have no pige, because all his pige are warm pige, so he needs to get some pige. You only have those 3 right now, so you need to buy him some. And all these are in-house clothes that he have. So yeah, over here are all the things that doesn't fit anymore. So these doesn't fit anymore. These shoes really makes me a bit emotional just now, because it's his very first slippers that he had. It doesn't fit. And these shoes, I'm kind of attached to his shoes because it was one of his first shoes. These are all the things that doesn't fit. So they're page, hats, tops, everything here, you name it. So yeah, those are all the things. And he wants us to put on his shoes, but he doesn't understand that it doesn't fit anymore. It doesn't fit. I know you love this one, but it doesn't fit you anymore. It doesn't fit you anymore, baby. It doesn't fit. Okay. Tyler, it doesn't fit you anymore. You're making me sad. Why are you making me sad? Okay, let's see. See? It doesn't fit. Does it?
Mama?
Yeah? I know it's shoes, but it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. You have to put on, alright, let's put on one of the ones that fit. You want to put on one of the ones that fit? Come. Let's take one of the ones that fit. Yeah, this one that fits. Let's put on the one that fits, okay? I've never seen another kid that loves shoes as this boy. See? See?
Oui.
That one fits. And he's gone. This makes me so sad. Look at this. It makes me so sad. I just want to keep it forever. I'm going to keep these slippers for every single baby that we have and make each of them wear it because it means so much to me. I just can't let go off of it. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today. And the Jamaican expression for today is drumroll, 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 dirty. Dirty can mean two things. One, it can mean dirty. When something is very dirty, we say dirty. Or two, the dirt in the ground, we call it dirty. If you hear a Jamaican says, the dirty toffee man, they're simply saying that the dirt is very hard. Come babe, says Jamaican expression.
Dirty.
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 Yes, not dirty. Dirty.
Dirty.
Right.
Dirty.
Dirty girl.
That's what I hear from you.
Oh my god, that's what I'm talking to my friends. You know what to say.
What is Jamaican expression?
What's the expression for
Sal.
Ah.
Sal. Sal is dirty. Sal means dirty. Sal.
So there you have the Jamaican expression.
Sal can be anything. Clothes can be dirty. I mean, clothes can be sal. Your hand can be sal.
Jumping in the kitchen to make some dinner right now because it's just about dinner time, and I am going to make some ackee and saltfish for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it as yet, but let's figure that out. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, dinner is ready and everybody's happy. Ackee and saltfish look good. And there were 3 little bears sitting on chairs, and 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens. Look, 2 little kittens right here and 2 pair of mittens, and a little toy house and a young mouse. The mouse is right here and the kitten say meow, meow. Hey, and a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush, and a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush. Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. Good night, Tyler.
Bonne nuit, Tyler. Tu fais un bisou à maman? À papa d'abord?
Bisous, Mama.
À maman.
I love you.
À demain. Thank
Time
you.
for bed.
Thank you.
Go. Time for bed. Let's go. Say bye-bye. Blood and kisses. Hey. Bye. I love you. See you tomorrow. Man, it has been such a long day, a tiring day. Got so much done today. Make sure you guys catch up with the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. As you guys know, Tana is off to bed, and I am about to jump right in right now, and I don't know what baby's gonna do.
One last thing to do and jump in the bed and sleep until tomorrow morning. It's been a long time I didn't stay at home without doing anything. Well, don't say that we did nothing, but
without going out.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just good to fall back and relax and, you know, take it easy. So that's what we did today basically, and as you can see,
I'm tired.
everybody's tired. Excuse me.
So I hope everybody enjoyed the vlog. I wish a happy new week to everybody. Enjoy your week, and yeah, just make everything that you want to do, make it happen, and we'll catch you guys.
So make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe, just click that bell right beside the subscribe button to make sure that you get all the notification when we upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Don't want to miss out. Catch up and keep up, guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.